Finding a reliable professional for home improvement, repairs, or maintenance can be challenging. Thumbtack.com aims to simplify the process by connecting users with local service providers for everything from plumbing and painting to personal training and event planning. But is Thumbtack legit, or is it a scam? Let's explore how it works, its benefits, and whether it's a trustworthy platform. What is Thumbtack? Thumbtack is an online marketplace that helps people find and hire professionals for a wide range of services. Whether you need a handyman, a personal trainer, or a wedding photographer, the platform connects you with local experts who match your needs. How does Thumbtack work? Thumbtack makes hiring professionals easy through a 3-step process. Search for a service, users enter their location and the type of service they need. Thumbtack then provides a list of qualified professionals in the area. Compare and communicate, users can browse profiles, read reviews, and chat with professionals to discuss pricing, availability, and project details. Hire and book, once users find the right professional, they can book services directly through the platform. Is Thumbtack legit? Yes, Thumbtack is a legitimate platform that has been connecting users with professionals since 2008. It operates across the US and has helped complete millions of projects. The company verifies reviews and offers a Thumbtack guarantee, which provides refunds in certain cases if a hired professional fails to deliver satisfactory service. However, since Thumbtack does not directly employ service providers, quality can vary. Some professionals may have more experience than others, so it's important for users to carefully review profiles, ratings, and customer feedback before hiring. Pros and cons of Thumbtack. Pros: wide variety of services available. Verified reviews from past customers. Easy-to-use platform with messaging and booking features. Competitive pricing with multiple professionals to choose from. The Thumbtack guarantee offers extra protection. Cons: service quality depends on the individual professional. Some users report occasional issues with responsiveness. Prices can vary depending on location and provider. Thumbtack is a legit and useful platform for finding reliable service providers. While it's not perfect, its user-friendly interface, verified reviews, and wide range of services make it a great tool for homeowners and businesses. To ensure the best experience, take time to research professionals before booking. Thumbtack.com has a Trustpilot rating of 3.7 based on 6,212 reviews, reflecting a mix of positive and critical feedback. Many users praise the platform for its wide range of services and easy booking process, while some express concerns about inconsistent service quality from professionals. As a legit marketplace, Thumbtack helps users connect with local experts for home improvement, repairs, and more. Checking ratings, reviews, and past customer experiences can help ensure a smooth experience when hiring a pro through Thumbtack.